you never kill me, you're brave. Yes, I. And we say, Jah over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me again. We say, good over evil, life over death. Satan can't kill me. Here comes the hot stepper. Fire burning hotter than paper. That song you written proper than later. Protected from the crown of my head, straight down to the very soul of the crepe, yeah. Me have a chat for them send gunshot poison care accident. Long time them a try lock off my oxygen, but Jah in control, can't take me soul. Jah over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me again. Me say, good over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me, yeah. Them put poison in a liquor, try curse me. A good thing, me no drink, me no thirsty. From the day my mother birthed me, still I see I perch me, nobody can hurt me. Them disguise Decibel in a the biggest way. Send her come fi give me the biggest A. Chronixx left her in dismay. A long time them a try up until this day. Me say good over evil, life over death. Satan can't kill me again. Me say Jah over evil, life over death. Me say them can't kill me again. Can't kill me again. If you never kill me, I'm ready. Whoa. Alright, them did one. Move me for your part, me make me dead. But unfortunately them never know say Jah want me set the trend. Fi come step on snake and 40 leg. Good over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me again. And me say, yeah, Jah over evil.
Don't you fight us down. Them now want see we sit on the throne. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield. I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws of my heart. I am a liberal opposer, practitioner of yoga, position of the Cobra, tradition of the Shona. Trace back my lineage to inner Ethiopia. Down in a Kemet, me build a pyramid of Joseph. Hieroglyphics, them I call that Medonecha. When me see the sun arise in the sky, me call it Kepa. I praise a cure the leper, with praises Antonetta. Them come here with them cross, but me said the ank is better, eh. When I was in up, beretta, rise up. Fico take a life up, you sip the breath of life up, eh. None of them no pressure, make sure exercise up. And be careful of the one we teach Jesus Christ up. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield. I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws. Haile Selassie are the leader, they on the battlefield, yeah. Humble as a lamb, me just follow the procedure. Rastaman a healer, beast get trample on the heel, yeah. Me bust up every seal where them seal, yeah. Read a couple chapter, then reflect upon the fact of them. Focus on the acronym, to open up my chakra them. Seated in the lotus, me a soak up all the oxygen. Kemetic yoga, me bring over from the continent. Africa, that's where we wanna be. We living in a poverty, cause of the economy. Capitalistic and the materiality. We no see reality, only periodically. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield. I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Send me on a rebel on the battlefield. I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws. I am a liberal opposer, practitioner of yoga, position of the Cobra, tradition of the Shona. Chase back my lineage to inner Ethiopia. Down in a Kemet, me build a pyramid of Joseph. Hieroglyphics, me call that Medonecha. When me see the sun arise in the sky, me call it Kepa. I peace a cure the leper, with praises Antonetta. Them come here with them cross, but me say the ank is better. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield. I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws of my heart. While Selassie are the leader, they on the battlefield. Humble as a lamb, me just a follow the procedure. Rastaman a healer, beast get trampled and a healer. Me bust up every seal with them sealer. Read a couple chapter, then reflect upon the factor them. Focus on the acronym, open up my chakra them. Seated in the lotus, I just soak up all the oxygen. Kemetic yoga, bring over from the continent. Africa, that's where we wanna be. We living in a poverty, cause of the economy. Capitalistic and the materiality. We no see reality, only periodically. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pause. Babylon a devil on the battlefield.
Life is a test, you know you have to pass it. Life is a privilege, so don't lose it. Life is a blessing, you know have to waste it. Have to waste it. But a one little youth man only 16, already done time behind bars. Little children are turn up missing, a battered up wife full up of cuts and scars.
Are we looking over green pastures? Are we really facing disaster?
What is this?
I pray the angels protect you.
Pray for you.
Cause I know that life is greater.
Thinking of the future, wondering what will it be. Study your lessons, count your blessings. Blessed to see another day closer to my destiny. Keep my focus, stay grounded. Cause I don't ever wanna stray from reality. Life is a test, you know you have to pass it. Life is a privilege, so don't lose it. Life is a blessing, you know have to waste it.
Are we looking over green pastures?
Yeah.
Are we really facing disaster?
What are we doing?
I pray the angels protect you.
I pray for you.
Cause I know that life is greater.
Yeah, I will about things me have to say. But first me have to tell them put down the AK. Me no have to see no more gunshot or spray. Stop kill people in the middle day. Suicide, it's a suicide. Tired of drive-bys and homicide. Me want to see the people them unify. Me have to live a better life. Yo, boom. Life is a test, you know you have to pass it. Life is a privilege, so don't lose it. Life is a blessing, you know have to waste it. Have to waste it. Yeah. Life is a test, you know you have to pass it. Life is a privilege, so don't lose it. So don't lose it. Ah, come on. Don't lose it. So don't lose it. Ah, come on. Boom. Life is a test, you know you have to pass it. Life is a privilege, so don't lose it. Life is a blessing, you know have to waste it. Want to waste it. Yeah. Life is a test, you know you have to pass it. Life is a privilege, so don't lose it. Life is a blessing, you know have to waste it. Have to waste it. Yeah. But a one little youth man only 16, already done time behind bars. Little children are turn up missing, a battered up wife full up of cuts and scars.
Are we looking over green pastures? Are we really facing disaster? I pray the angels protect you. Cause I know that life is greater.
Every land of hate will burn. I was there when the ships came and chastised in a Jesus' name. Wonder if me crazy, wonder if me sane, but the whole of Rome I go up in a flame. I know nothing to me walk in a room and start a fire, start a fire. And I know nothing to me walk in a room and start a fire, start a fire. God them I wonder how a little African I go burn down the whole in a Vatican, but I know nothing for me walk in a room. Start a fire, start a fire. If I go home, the whole demographic. And when me talk, I mean no hypocritic. When me say Rome, I eat no geographic. But if I you feel wear the cap, then I you will have it. When me say Rome, me a talk about lion. I the Selassie, I the power of the giant. The eagle and the dragon and the bear a spit fire, but them can't overthrow the conquering lion. Listen to the voice of the people. Today Rome will burn. I know me alone, I just over evil. Said today Rome will burn. I know nothing for me walk in a Rome and start a fire, start a fire. Yes, no nothing for me walk in a Rome and start a fire. Me say a fire because them a ask our little African. I go ignite the whole in a Vatican, but I know for me walk in a room, start a fire. Yes, I know me alone, I color come. Teflon a walk with the eye color bun. And when you feel a earthquake shake down a ground, and a gun, a shades that a come. I know nothing for me walk in a room and start a fire, start a fire. And I know nothing for me walk in a room and start a fire, start a fire. And them a ask, oh a little African, now go ignite the whole in a Vatican. And I know nothing for me walk in a room and start a fire, start a fire. I'm just listen to the voice of the people. Today Rome will burn, and I'm me alone as a over evil. Said today Rome will burn. I'm just listen to the voice of the people. Today Rome will burn, and I'm me alone, and I'm me alone. Today. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yes, I. Today Rome will burn. Today Rome will burn.
Politician, go. Give something to the poor and needy. Why Babylon them a get so greedy? Give something to the poor and needy. Politician get a youth hungry, you know they need it. Give something to the poor and needy. Why Babylon them a get so greedy? Give something to the poor and needy. Get a youth hungry, politician defeated. Them want we drive on the walkie-walkie. Them want we play dumb and them talkie-talkie. We plant the seed and them want reap. When we use we finger vote and them want come deceive we. Empress say I am guide and protect we. As I get to youth we say we not dead we hungry. Lightning and thunder I it now protect we. Babylon system can't control we. Give something to the poor and needy. Why Babylon them a get so greedy? Give something to the poor and needy. Politician get to youth hungry, you know they feed it. Give something to the poor and needy. Why Babylon them a get so greedy? Give something to the poor and needy. Get to youth hungry, politician defeated. Every day poor people them get to pay tax. Them no have no goal in a fortnight. Some stay in a mansion, we stay in a shack. Them eat them fried chicken, we get chicken back. I me no care if you white, me no care if you black. From a poor people sitting there come and defend that. I me no take up no chop, I me no take up no gag. I just the lyrics for me tongue, I just the word me a chat. I would not like give something to the poor and needy. Why Babylon them a get so greedy? Give something to the poor and needy. Politician get to youth hungry, you know they need it. Give something to the poor and needy. Why Babylon them a get so greedy? Give something to the poor and needy. Get to youth hungry, politician defeated.
Poor people me love, no love, no love. No politician forget, no get, no get. No get the people me love, no love, no love. No politician forget, no get, no get. Poor people me love, no love, no love. No politician forget, no get, no get. No get the people me love, no love, no love. No politician forget, no get, no get.
Give something to the poor and needy. Why Babylon them a get so greedy? Give something to the poor and needy. Politician get to youth hungry, you know they need it. Give something to the poor and needy. Why Babylon them a get so greedy? Give something to the poor and needy. Get to youth hungry, politician defeated. Every day poor people them get to pay tax. Them no have no goal in a fortnight. Some stay in a mansion, we stay in a shack. Them eat them fried chicken, we get chicken back. Empress say I am guide and protect we. As I get to youth we say we not dead we hungry. Lightning and thunder I it now protect we. Babylon system can't control we. Give something to the poor and needy. Why Babylon them a get so greedy? Give something to the poor and needy. Politician get to youth hungry. I want them jungle Josh. Give something to the poor and needy. Why Babylon them a get so greedy? Give something to the poor and needy. Get to youth hungry, politician defeated. No Babylon them can't come round us now. Babylon them can't no let around us.
In a dancehall style, and everybody a go Still me irie, cause we no love life. No, so every time I rise, we do it for the love, we not do it for the lights. Do it for the love, we not do it for the lights. Do it for the love, we not do it for the lights. Do it for the love, we not do it for the lights. Make them know success don't come overnight. No make them know a substance over hype. Do it for the love, we not do it for the lights. Enough of them love likes, that's alright. Sit down on a post and a tweet all night. See them on social media type. While like say them they a studio a vice. Oh me never put them up on no flight. And me never see them a live no tour life. You miss someone now you have so much likes. I'm always still a lead for iTunes. Simple mean we not ready yet. If we put the music first, that's all. While we there on a war and a hype. Work, dance all. When you see me, yes, I see I. And every tune when me ever write. And every show where we headline. No, we not do it for the likes, but me tell them we do it for the love. We not do it for the likes. What da da di da da di. Do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Never tell you if you bust a shot and quench them. Instead me tell them sell it gun and buy a yen yen. Cause we do it for the love, we not do it for the likes. Response. Fly out and make them love we from a distance. Come home for 2 weeks vacation. Enough of them still stuck in the quicksand. Enough to hear us say them are the big man. In a Jamaica and them have the hit song. A gentleman me hear a play a Finland. Me never hear them playing a Pakistan. That simple mean we not ready yet. That one like a you own dance all. While we there on a war on a hype. No take a control that's all. Beat and a mic. Ready for the studio device. But when me put that song up on my timeline. No, me not do it for the likes. But me tell them we do it for the love. We not do it for the likes. Jesus Christ, do it for the love. We not do it for the likes. Song into the beat, everybody move your feet. Girl, you know fi do it and me mommy know fi do it. When we mix a tune and drop it like a bomb. Me no wanna waste guy critique me song. Me no wanna media guy interpret me wrong. So make me give me credits in a dancehall fashion first. Big up Kalanji and the one Capleton. The Wild Apache and the one Ninja Man. Then big up the Killer and the one Beanie Man. King Yellow Man, Buru Buju Bantan. Early B, Nachila Simadidan. Me and Jamaica Lim Sister Diamond. And none of them nobody like Marianne. Ladies, you are real big man. Big up Lady Dika, you are the La Vegan. Big up Dirts, man, and even brother Papa San. Big up Gary Miner, you don't know what you got on. Big up Chronixx, you are the tall like a tan. Steal it, cleave it, Tony and Dave Kelly. Bobby Digital, General King Jammy. Exterminator, Slayer and Rabbit. Stephen McGregor and Carly Only. Big up Succulent, King Bulby. Donovan, Jermaine, Graft and Mikey. Deep, now the science and I know me ready. All of these Cub Scouts have to talk up to me. Doing your everyday business. One thing Chronixx I ask you. When was the last time you prayed? Give Jah thanks for health and strength. When was the last time you prayed? And God shall protect you from the pagan. When was the last time? Could you tell me? When last you pray and go down on your knee? When was the last time you prayed? When was the last time you prayed? As a feeling not on your own understanding. See Jah when you wake in the morning. Please, I beg you please. See Jah first and go down on your knees. Ooh yeah. You don't know what trouble lies ahead. In this cold world where the system dread. And it's so easy to get misled. Why? Rent you like cut off, so many will say. And them I wonder which part got there. But when them ask, this is what I say. When was the last time you prayed? Give Jahdan thanks for health and strength. When was the last time you prayed? How could you tell me, boy? When was the last time? Could you tell me? When last you pray and go down on your knee? When was the last time you pray? Yeah. When was the last time? Never be ungrateful, you have to give thanks for everything where you gain. Now bother pray for your brother big feast. Beg you please give thanks for the little na your plate. Ease up, look out and before you push out of your house, beg you all a reference. Inna the streets where the place in a siege of a chant at least one prayer a day. Because you don't know what trouble lies ahead. In this old world where the system drained, and it's so easy to get misled. And when your plans start failing, I know you will say, hey, you wonder which part got there. But when you ask, this is what I say. When was the last time? When was the last time you prayed?
Remember, every day is another struggle. So when you think that's all is over and you can't take the pain no more, call up Anja. You got to know that he'll be there for sure. Even when time gets hard and so rough, you better put the most time on before. Call up Anja. The Rasta never bow. Remember there's no easy way to go. Slowly but surely, me know say Jaja great, him nah go left free lonely. Cause when the world tumble down on me, Jaja ease the pressure and take the pain from me. You better achieve your goal, no say you can't do it. He's busy but him not sleep. Food off his own and every man want eat. He's busy but him not sleep. Conquer your fears, tell you go ahead and achieve. You're busy but him not sleep. Tell you say you're busy but him not sleep. So when you think that's all is over and you can't take the pain no more, call up Anja. You got to know that he'll be there for sure. Even when time gets hard and so rough, you better put the most time on before. Call up Anja. The Rasta never bow. Remember there's no easy way to go. Yes, I feel so free as I give praises to the Most High, who send his blessing and so I. It's the truth and I don't know why. So much tumbling block as me try to survive. I guess they never know I got the strength to survive. I got to find the food to feed my kids and wife. No like I'm recycle and overdrive. Papa tell me one thing, me do that in mind. You better achieve your goal, no say you can't do it. You're busy but him not sleep. Food off your own and every man want eat. You're busy but him not sleep. Conquer your fears, tell you go ahead and achieve. You're busy but him not sleep. Tell you say you're busy but him not sleep. So when you think that's all is over and you can't take the pain no more, call up Anja. You got to know that he'll be there for sure.
Yeah. Humbly I listen. Of all the things in this world I can give to you, what would you have me do? My father said to me, I was a bit confused. I didn't know what to do. Then I stopped for a moment and I thought to myself, what matters most of all? Without love, everything that I would possess would mean nothing to me at all. Just give me the blessings of love falling on my shoulders. Let it rain down on me. Give me the blessings of love. Full up my cup, I will spread it for eternity. The blessings of love falling on my shoulders. Let it rain down on me.
The blessings of love full up my cup, I will spread it for eternity. Things in time may come and test the heart to see how the blessings flow. Just teach me to forgive, open up my heart so I can let your loving show. We will sing about love forevermore. Love will keep me safe for sure. Love is mighty, love is so divine. I claim love cause love is mine. Just give me the blessings of love falling on my shoulder. Let it rain down on me. The blessings of love full up my cup, I will spread it for eternity. The blessings of love falling on my shoulder. Let it rain down on me. The blessings of love full up my cup, I will spread it for eternity. Love, 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 love. Of all the things in this world I can give to you, what would you have me do? My father said to me, I was a bit confused, I didn't know what to do. Then I stopped for a moment and I thought to myself, what matters most of all? Without love, everything that I would possess would mean nothing to me at all. Just give me the blessings of love falling on my shoulders. Let it rain down on me. The blessings of love full up my cup, and I will spread it for eternity. The blessings of love, so amazing.
I've gotta praise him for his goodness and his greatness overall. I've gotta thank him for his precept, yeah, they keep I standing tall. I've gotta hail him, yes, hail him. He's the angel that never fall. He's a burning, blazing, rolling fireball. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Jah, you're my portion. You knew me before I even knew myself. You're the mountain from which come forth my help, a very present help. Through thee I found salvation, the kind that promotes long life and good health. You're the rock upon which I stand. You're weak, I'm never alone. No, I'm never alone. Even when no one is around, never on my own. Never on my own. No matter what's going down. So I've gotta praise him for his goodness and his greatness overall. I've gotta thank him for his precept, yeah, they keep I standing tall. I've gotta hail him, yes, hail him. He's the angel that never falls. He's a burning, blazing, rolling fireball. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I gotta praise him.
Oh, Jah, you're my shepherd. In thee, oh Lord, do I put my trust. Let not the wicked triumph over us. Watch over us according to thy word and promises, oh, we rest assured. Thou art my shield and my buckler, oh Almighty Father. I'm never alone. I'm never alone. When no one is around, never on my own. Never on my own. Oh, no matter what's going down, I'm never alone. I'm never alone. Even when no one is around, never on my own. Never on my own. No matter what's going down,
Yes, I've gotta praise him for his goodness and
share, houses to live. We need them right now. Gotta find a way somehow. We need to be educated, but there are not enough schools. Talking about production, but there are not enough tools. So much more jobs to be met, and nothing has been done about them yet. Someone, something got to give in. Poor people on the margin. We need more clothes to wear, shoes for our feet, more land to share, houses to live. We need them right now. Gotta find a way somehow. We need more food to eat, more clothes to wear. We need shoes for our feet, more land to share, houses to live. We need them right now. Gotta find a way somehow. Who really care about our welfare? Not handouts, but fair opportunity. Not hand to mouth, but adequately. Their burden's getting heavier. The world is on their shoulder. We need some help right now. Gotta find a way somehow. We need more food to eat. We need more clothes to wear, shoes for our feet, more land to share, houses to live. We need them right now. Gotta find a way somehow. We need more food to eat, more clothes to wear, shoes for our feet, more land to share, houses to live. We need them right now. Gotta find a way somehow. Day by day we hear the same old song that say we ought to keep holding on. Yet every day poor people are crying.
Take us home up on the wings of winter. Ethiopia, that's the motherland. That's where I'm from. Gotta be a man. Take us home up on the wings of winter. I'm rolling with the kings of kings. That's how we roll, like the days of olden. Say, oh, what a royal trend. Take us home up on the wings of wind. I'm rolling with the kings of kings. That's how we roll, like the days of olden. Say, oh, what a royal trend. Alright, I'm rolling with the cherubim, straight in the feminine. Got to know yourself, first you got to be, then you win. High grade me smoke, not a crack, now no heroin. Now bleed out, now trouble for me melanin. Know yourself, me sister, say what me to me brother him. Stay from corruption, do not dwell up in a sin. First know yourself, salvation the governing. Rastafari, take us home up on the wings of wind. I'm rolling with the kings of kings. That's how we roll, like the days of olden. Say yo, what a royal trend. Take us home up on the wings of wind. I'm rolling with the kings of kings. That's how we roll, like the days of olden. Say yo, what a royal trend. From a quick urge up first, me salvation them thirst. Know why me bless, know why them curse. Well, listen to me chorus, listen to me verse. Nothing them dead sunk in, no ride them dead earth. Be careful, them want put you on the earth. Well, make them know that just now go work. Man respect the pants, man respect the skirt. Cause life is good, right here on earth. Yo, Rastafari, no have time to flirt. I keep it genuine, just take us home. Up on the wings of wind, I'm rolling with the kings of kings. That's how we roll, like the days of olden. Say, oh, what a royal trend. Just take us home, up on the wings of wind. I'm rolling with the kings of kings. That's how we roll, like the days of olden. Say, oh, what a royal trend. Alright, I'm rolling with the cherubim, straight me no feminine. Got to know yourself first of all, you got to be genuine. High grade me smoke, not a crack, not a heroin. Nah bleach up, no, me not trouble me melanin. Know yourself, sister, me say what me to me brother him. Stay from corruption, not dwell up me say innocent. Right place, right time, salvation me governing. Rastafari, where you take us home. Up on the wings of wind, I'm rolling with the kings of kings. That's how we roll, like the days of olden. Say yo, what a royal
ends. Never mix up in a foul play. All I want to do, all I wanna say, spread some joy today. Tell it to your foes, those who oppose. Let love be the order of the day. Spread some love in the town. Spread your love all around. Don't care who make frowns. Always hold your ground. The Rasta man is unconquerable. I saw your heights and I burn out the devil. Clean meditation and everything's second. Turn up the bass and the treble. I crane and warrior king. Nothing but love and joy we bring. Now about to vanity, not to the system. Rastafari, king of kings. All I want to do, all I wanna say, spread some love today. Tell it to your friends, those on the ends. Never mix up in a foul play. All I want to do, all I wanna say, spread some joy today. Tell it to your foes, those who oppose. Let love be the order of the day.
Praise the king, love we bring. Don't be tense, love the key. Say it again, forget my foes, can we all be friends? Life is more than money and bands. I freed my mind with a pad and a pen. A little reggae and some hip hop. The fire can't be stopped. At the end of the day, love is all we got. The key to success, feeling stress free, knowing you're blessed. Sometimes life is a mess. Stay determined and focused is what I suggest. Nothing more, nothing less. Fight with your best.
All I want to do, all I wanna say, spread some love today. Tell it to your friends, those on the ends. Never mix up in a foul play. All I want to do, all I wanna say, spread some joy today. Tell it to your foes, those who oppose. Let love be the order of the day. God bless my friends. God bless my foes. God give my strength. God bless my friends. God bless my foes. God give my strength and turn my gray skies blue. Me tell you this already and me tell you this again. Don't be a victim of the system. Don't make them use you now, your offspring. Come chant Rasta, chant and sing Rasta hymn. Spread love and joy everywhere you go. Spread it in the lane and in the avenue. Let me use and kick them like a kung fu. All I want to do, all I wanna say, spread some love today. Tell it to your friends, those on the ends. Never mix up in a foul play. All I want to do, all I wanna say, spread some joy today.
The sun is hot, what a scorching day. Babylon a lick shot night and day. No water in the pipe, the youth them out of school. Every type of people just a turn jug mule. Countless promises and more wet dream. In every ear a hungry youth a scream. Roadblock and Babylon siren tight. No justice for human right. Yo, oh what a scorching day. Jaja summer sun just a flip down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Babylon run the place like a cowboy town. Cause of an rival get gunned down. Got to find a little place to hide and chill. Inna the mountain of Mandeville. Sweat a run and them panic inside. Lifeless body of those who put up a fight. They can't restrain so they blow their brain. Street filled with human remain. Yo, they can't restrain so they blow their brain. Street filled with human remain. Yo, oh what a scorching day. That a summer sun just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Remember the days of just scorching sun. And now the heat blaze from them flaming gun. Piercing them skin like so much run down. Babylon have the place like a big showdown. Battled by Olympic pen on the farm. Don't they know ghetto youth now inform? Cause after a storm there must be a calm. And everybody read some psalm. Yo, oh what a scorching day. Jaja summer sun just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Unknown
a sail stay in the place. Nobody can get you out of the race. We have to take a step par pace by pace. This a general them can't erase. Them a little youth you have killing appetite. If them wrong or if them right, them a youth still I try to use might. No justice for human right. Yo, oh what a scorching day. Jaja summer sun just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Babylon around the place like a cowboy town. Cause of an rival get gunned down. Got to find a little place to hide and chill. In the mountain of Mandeville. Sweat around and them panic inside. Lifeless body of those who put up a fight. They can't restrain so they blow their brain. Street filled with human remain. Yo, oh what a scorching day. Jaja summer sun just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Oh what a scorching day. Jaja summer sun just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day. Oh what a scorching day. Jaja summer sun just a fling down its way. Oh what a scorching day. Babylon in the ghetto killing night and day.
Yes,
oh what a scorching day.
AK the gang, you know what I mean? The sun is so
what a
hot.
scorching day.
It is so hot. Big up.
It's not gonna be long. The day when we'll be so joyful. And I'm here so glad to let you know. One bright day, things will be better. Hope and pray while we're together. One bright day, things will be better. Hope and pray while we're together. Them system not treat us nice. Them put themselves before the people with material and hype. So warm to justice and equal rights. Who's responsible for all those sleepless nights? The youths them hungry, them never get a bite. Well, someone tell me who them a spite. Some got beds them well fed and them can rejoice. So tell me what happened to the poor people's spice. Alright, one bright day, things will be better. Oh, and pray while we're together. One bright day, things will be better. Hope and pray while we're together. With our loving kindness, make us better. He sees our things, knows our dilemmas. Some neglect the people. Jah would never my guiding star forever. The government shall be up on his shoulder, protector of the faith. He's the life holder. Some say them might, but them are high roller. Still I say the highest, cause I am run the one bright day, things will be better. Oh, and pray while we're together. One bright day, things will be better. Oh, and pray while we're together. Them system not treat us nice. Them put themselves before the people with material and hype. So what to justice and equal rights? Who's responsible for those sleepless nights? The youths them hungry, them never get a bite. Oh Lord, tell me the reason why the youths them have to die. Tell me the reason why some too quick to criticize. Tell me the reason why they have to see mama cry. Tell me the reason why people can't see eye to eye. Went to bed last night, the day was long and weary. Rise up once again, it's the same old story. Brothers putting up a fight, everyone trying to take a life. Too much pain and sorrow, enough will not live. Tell me the reason why the youths them have to die. Tell me the reason why some so
so quick to criticize. Tell me the reason why. They love to see mama cry. Tell me the reason why. People can see eye to eye. I will say rat-a-tat-tap. When me check it out, you want another one drop, yeah. Can't take the blood on the gravel. Want more food, more love, more joy for each other. It's a very thin line between poverty and violence. Them say a hungry man is a hungry man. The two of them go hand in hand. Tell me the reason why the youth them have to die. Tell me the reason why some so quick to criticize. Tell me the reason why they love to see mama cry. Tell me the reason.
Pains my heart. See my mother cry. It really pains my heart.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Joy for them when Christmas comes around, but on the poor man's face wears a frown.
It is in my head, hit on with the music. I can't refuse it, hit on with the music. Wake up all your sleepy head, and in the night time too. Just give me the music. Without the music I don't know what I would do. I say, and when I'm sad and blue, my trouble time, you're always there right by my side. When friends are nowhere to be found, me tell you, you're always around. I have no doubt, I can't live without you. I sing and shout, let me say, turn up the rhythm and you pump up the bassline. No selector, don't come to waste no time. We'll have come again one more time. Turn up the rhythm and you pump up the bassline. Massive and cool, you know them feeling so fine. Everybody now the dance all vibe. Remember David played and
Can't give up. Can't give up. 10,000 miles we roam, trying to find our way back home. Trod the streets of battle zones, yet we walk but not alone. Shall we pray night and day? Jah we say every day. Shall we pray night and day? Jah we say every day. Please take my hand, Heavenly Father, my Father, and guide me day by day. Oh, bless me on my journey, this journey. All to you, Father, we pray. Jah is with me, guides me daily, never give up, always hang on. But sometimes I wish I was an eagle, just spread my wings and fly away. But there's no use of wishing, stop wishing. From this journey we just can't stray. Got to be real, life is no dream. Never give up, always endure. Shall we praise night and day? Jah we say
to educate some nasty freak. It's them make the music get weaker than weak. Pop down, be a garbage from week to week, you see it. Why they never think before they speak? Just like a CD with the pan repeat. Them praising the ending, but what about the weed? A beer bag of arms house, when enough of them keep. Remind them why they're so God not slave. Bring back the bacon for this, we use them. Wood bars for reality, a spiritual food, yeah. Originality, back to the roots, and give the people upliftment, that's our duty. Bring back the bacon for this, we use them. Wood bars for reality, a spiritual food, yeah. Originality, back to the roots, and give the people upliftment, that's our duty.
Just pave the way, right now the things set away. All who are stray the youths, tell them can't get away. Must pay for the one to lead us right. The elders teach us truths and rights and they teach us now. But you teach us hate and right. Your first and the last words so vicious and wild. No respect for the woman or child. So the presence of the veterans is worldwide. So we say,
bring back the bacon for this, we use them. Wood bars for reality, a spiritual food, yeah. Originality, back to the roots, and give the people upliftment, that's our beauty. Bring back the bacon for this, we use them. Wood bars for reality, a spiritual food, yeah. Originality, back to the roots, and give the people upliftment, that's our beauty.
Who work for Satan, there's no light in them. So the works of the Most High, they will condemn. Babylon tower, they keep building so high. King of Ninja, anger, they shall fall and die. Yes, I know the veterans taught you the right way. Since you know, oh, come here, lead the people, they must try. Better you
bring back the bacon for this, we use them. Wood bars for reality, a spiritual food, yeah. Originality, back to the roots, and give the people upliftment, that's our beauty. Bring back the bacon for this, we use them. Wood bars for reality, a spiritual food, yeah. Originality, back to the roots, and give the people upliftment, that's our beauty.
Where can I get some roots and reality? How can I not take the youth from profanity? Yeah, yeah, in these last days, this time when the kids listen to veteran, them safe and fine. No junk to them, even them the straight in mind. No teaching of the copper, none of them a carbine. So my talk before them thinking that's a real crime.
Bring back the bacon for this, we use them. Wood bars for reality, a spiritual food, yeah. Originality, back to the roots, and give the people upliftment, that's our beauty. Bring back the bacon for this, we use them. Wood bars for reality, a spiritual food, yeah. Originality, back to the roots, and give the people upliftment, that's our beauty.
Yo, Jano Cornadoor, them know what they been calling. Them youth are them blasting up.
Oh, country boy came to town. Country boy came to town. Oh, country boy came to town. Him left country and never went back. Him come a town, come a lick peer shot. Carry the 16 over him back. 45, him never left a gap. Now must see him super cat did a chat. Side police on the wheel and clap. La left no trace, conceal all tracks. Him cousin give my old desert and tell himself you wear that car in a minute. Now you have to shift up like a gearbox, then give my Glock. Tell himself he lock it, don't afraid for knocking. Country I hear sneer that without no warning. Early in the morning, country and the eagle pitch down like a garland. And when him pass a black flag and chop all in. Anyway you see him, tell him me call him. Me no want all desert and diamond socks. Country boy say him not take no tat and him a real boy from Kingston. Real boy from Kingston. Run the place, no turning back. Fire him a burn it, I go burn him back. Boy, him a real rude boy from Kingston. Real rude boy. Country boy came to town. Country boy came to town. Town. Woman, they a country, I work like mule. And you tell her, say you want go school. Promising the boy, so she never hesitate. Now you a come a town and you want farm full. Boy, what you do with your ambition? Run come a town, want done gunman. never seen a gunman with house and land of country. Listen to me clean. Police are come discipline the scheme. All your cousin will give you Glock for keep. Sergeant have something where whistling for keen. Love your life, never throw it down the drain. If you see your cousin down the lane, tell him Chronixx had something to say. You know all I got and diamonds that country boy same not that not that and him a real favorite stop worrying clean on the ground in Kingston. Run the place not turning back. Fire him a burn it a go burn him back. But him a real boy, real boy, real boy, real boy, oh real boy, yeah real boy. Yes, I Chronixx. No, you're not. No, you take my youth. You never chop. Don't you know that? Don't you know? No, you're not. No, you take my youth. I listen last. Teaching us the truth. And me no plan to go on a barber. And Rastafari the father. Every day fasting and prayer. People I wonder how me no maga. The boss I tell me fi chop it. Thunderbolt fi employer. Now sell me soul fi no be my prefer. Ride around in the ladder. Long time Babylon a try. Rasta still a strive higher. Whoa yo, a long time society a try. The Rastaman survivor, yeah. Go you're nothing. Go you treat my youth. I never stop. Don't you know the truth? Why? Go you're nothing. Go you treat my youth. Oh, I listen last. Teaching us the truth. Oh. I do them want me blending, them say fi cut it dreadlocks. But I want stand out just like the little red spot. I shine in the dark just like the little bright light. No afraid fi talk and I defend the night right. Tell the youth them for wise and be intelligent. Them treat me like a alien, the fifth element. Try give me the truth and say Chronixx give them. Go burn Babylon and do not sorry for them. Cause a long time the whole of them a try, but Rastaman a strive higher. Oh yo, a long time society a try, but the Rastaman survive higher. Oh, no you're naughty. No you treat my youth I never stop. Don't you know the truth? And looking at yourself. Go you're naughty. Go you treat my youth. I listen last. Teaching us the truth. And we say you Rastafari, the ruler of the earth. Long time them a try, but nothing could ever work. And you Rastafari, the ruler of the world. And every boy and girl. Oh yeah. Babylon and cry. Oh. One day if you know what I mean.
Expressing myself musically, you know. Yeah man, music lives on forever. Because you can say what you wanna say and do what you wanna do, but I will always be free. And you can say what you wanna say and do what you do, but I will always be me. I sing, you can say what you wanna say and do what you wanna do, but I will always be free. And you can say what you wanna say and do what you do, but I will always be me. Because the
them out and have them out and to have them out, but them don't know what I want. Some tell you this a young, but some me no know to not a storm. Get all youths we get rich and I say stop cut people on. I say come pay push it on. I say come for make it come because to this a lyrics everybody feel ya bounce. Listen to the melody everybody feel ya hum. Get all youths everybody develop your cranium. Focus on if you focus and stop run up and down. Cause you can say what you wanna say and do what you wanna do, but I will always be first. And you can say what you wanna say and do what you do, but I will always be me. I sing, you can say what you wanna say and do what you wanna do, but I will always be first. And you can say what you wanna say and do what you do, but I will always be me. Because it's a system, but you no care, but use them none at all. Them rather see the youths them on them belly and a crawl. Them a talk about the youths them now have no manners, but all them give respect you and you no show them no honors. Them a call the youths them dirt, but them less from birth. Better make them know this for them get big and them start to work. Boy, down to little youths them astray. Please teach the youths the right way. I say
looking for a better life. Just ease up the pressure, cool off the pressure. Say it hard, but me know it could have better. Ease the pressure, cool off the pressure. Me in a marina, me a sweat like me in a sweater. Ease the pressure, cool off the pressure. Get your youth to work hard, them a go get her. Ease the pressure, cool off the pressure. Me no want them like the Bible and go touch the beretta. Hey, government worker get allowance, sip dog and them post. Look, you not see education get shook. Me say, what's the tax where them got that spam book? Mama pay school fee 3 times she can cook. System laugh and regret when they get to you, them get cooked. Hey, because them know that them just get cooked. Them a go bad, but me told me know them a go puke. If he in a the situation, them don't look just. Ease up the pressure, cool off the pressure. Say it hard, but me know it could have better. Ease the pressure, cool off the pressure. In a marina, me a sweater in a sweater. Ease the pressure, cool off the pressure. You to work hard, cause them a go get her. Ease the pressure, cool off the pressure. Me no want them like the Bible and go drop in the bird. Things now move fast, it a move slow. Every time I eat a meal, me say the shop keep a low. Down in a the ghetto, well a beer go slow. Keep my head above the water and I never drop my flow. Till the side, plant the corn and the peas off a grow. But none Mr. Greedy dog and Mr. Greedy dog. Them know the truth, speak the lie, and them think me no know. Yo, them a go bump them toe. Hey, just ease off the pressure, cool off the pressure. Say it hard, but me know it could have better. Ease the pressure, cool off the pressure. Me in a marina, watch how me a sweat like me in a sweater. Ease the pressure, cool off the pressure. You to work hard because them a go get a dust. Ease the pressure, cool off the pressure. Me no want them like the Bible and go drop for the beretta. Them said the country in a debt and it a sink dead. See more police station, radio car and jail. One day if them such poor people life it take. Pass the ghetto youth them way asleep on the street. And the scene a sit to see them go on like so them not safe. How some boy a go on like them walk before them pay. But a weeping and a wailing, gnashing up pain. Judgment of a roll down King Street. Well me tell them, ease up the pressure, cool off the pressure. Say it hard but me know them coulda make it better. Ease the pressure, cool down the pressure. In a marina,
I feel the people of the garrison. I might just wait. There must be a way for the homeless who got no place to stay. Must be a way. All you have to do is just hope and pray. Must be a way for the people who work so hard without no pay. Must be a way, yeah, yeah. Must be a way. Once there's a way, there is a will. You've got life dreams can fulfill. They make it seem so hard to gain, but
Shall never let your sweat go in vain. Man was born to suffer, woman was made to feel the pain. We all should know it's time we make a change. There must be a way for the homeless. You got no place to stay. Must be a way. All you have to do is just hope and pray. Must be a way for the people who work so hard without no pay. Must be a way. Must be a way. Yeah. When me tell the fame must be a change, me not laugh, John was in a minute. Look how long my people are suffer, nobody not dance, I wouldn't reveal it. I know we gold and we silver, over the years, we know say I'm Babylon steal it. Now fight, now politics, walk off in at the end, how we wanna feel it. Enough of them a be a trail and crosses, we need to gain despite our losses. Laba box, stab them, money grab on them, that's why me I tell us say I rob them. But at the end of every tunnel, there must be a light. There must be a way for the hopeless, for the hopeless. There must be a way. Must be a way. Hey, yeah. Must be a way. Must be a way. Hard without no pay. Must be a way. Shot, cause we got the street lock, so you cannot get we out. Them said that them a gangster, said that them a bad man. Me know them just a run their mouth. But them a gangster, them a no gangster for you. Gangster, say them a be wanna be. Gangster, them not no swag like we. We a gangster, gangster. Them a no gangster, them a no gangster for we. Gangster, say them a be wanna be. Gangster, them not no swag like we. We a gangster, gangster. Say them a gangster, no know how the street run. Real gangster, no pick people bill phone. Them no run in the house and rob granny purse. Them no rape up no 5-year-old. True G, real gangsters lock it down again. Approach we a champus through your town again. We lock the streets all night. You know we have to keep it right. Say that them a gangster, them a no gangster fi we. Gangster, see them a be wanna be. Gangster, them not no swag like we. We a gangster, gangster. Say them a gangster, them a no gangster fi we. Gangster, see them a be wanna be. Gangster, them not no swag like we. We a gangster, real gangster. Yeah. Some boy no know the true meaning of a gangster. Them are the true definition of a wankster. Them no have no tolerance, me say them quick fi turn in a monster. Nothing no sense, so all them take we in a lancer. But when you call, me sure you can answer. Answer. Them a no gangster fi we. Gangster, see them a be wanna be. Gangster, them not no style like we. We a gangster, gangster. Them a no gangster, them a no gangster fi we. Gangster, see them a be wanna be. Gangster, them not no style like we. We a gangster, gangster. You know we not take shot, how we got the street lock, so you cannot get we out. Them say that them a gangster, say that them a bad man. Me know them just a run their mouth. But them a gangster, gangster, gangster. Gangster, them a no gangster for you. Gangster, gangster, gangster. I am a gangster, 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 real gangster.
Smoking paradise, smoking weed is life. Smoking paradise.
Girl, smoke it every day and night. Smoking paradise. Smoking weed is life. Smoking paradise. Girl, smoke it every day and night. So give me one pack of whistle and a light a day. $1,000 bag and piece of alcohol. Smoke me, I go smoke up right away. To how me smoke, and them say me smoke me life away. Oh, listen to me, kill you and my voice I say. No cure them smoke, them can't reach your mic yet. Cause me smoke till me bleeding eyes a shit. And I straight my room and no crack no cigarette. A pound of weed just turn off. And if 50 more come me get bun off. With the highest grade fuck, you have the place to run off. So me smoke from daylight till it go dark. Chalice rise, smoking just start. Weed a cut up like when Trilla cut cloth. With the lava red rose one puff you must come. So me smoke and get high and fly first class. In a smoking paradise. Smoking weed is life. Smoking paradise. Gotta smoke it every day and night. Smoking paradise. Smoking weed is life. Smoking paradise. Gotta smoke it every day and night. To me deal with them say me a suicider. If I no chalice then a spliff is either rider. Them think them stop this through them arrest the driver. But when it come to weed me skiller than my Viva. So it's still a circulate move on every corner. Jamaica wouldn't nice without the marijuana. So I pick up every hustle and every ganja farmer. We bring the food for my brain is and my mind calmer. A straight high grade me inhale and exhale. Puff it up right down to the spliff tail. A bush weed you sell me you no get an next sale. Brother say they grab a two at any time he get killed. We da bust up in the head like we nah a beat nail. Smoke and fly you want see you smooth me a seal. It's a ganja party sufficient weed for share. So anyway you see the cloud a smoking at the air. Jamaica wouldn't nice without the marijuana. People previous and every ganja farm. Jamaica wouldn't nice without the marijuana.
Say what is mine, and what is yours. I Well, how are them a orchestrate? Them off fi put you in a the darkest state. Finish up me brother down in a thoughtless hate. Watch you all of them a move like some heartless bait. Hey, the bigger it's them a talk less straight. When a poor people have the largest weight. That's why the youths them a pray out a lawless plate. And a pray out the other the shortest gate. Hey, as some me tell you say these are the time. Place ya we left you with a disease of the mind. As some me know say these are fi fine. When if you find a system with the ease of design. Mama fi under palm tree or recline. Me now want fi duck from a squeeze of the nine. Jaja watch over every move of design. Babylon now the college tree make it climb well.
Them think we gone but we still there. When we are blaze at a fire, yes we not retire. When we are beat this mountain, I beat it higher. Cause every jump, every snare up, we keep them higher.
Say what is mine, and what is yours. Say what is mine, and what is yours. Well then, Babylon want to do in a iniquity. Rise the covenant of heart, yeah we no pity. Yes we come fi burn out every devil city. Prophecy a fulfill now the blind a see. Hey, watch the who you be talking. Hey, watch the way you be walking. Hey, things we pop off alarming. Make you feel like it's global warming. As if we watch out, free. Watch out, please. Babylon a come up in a thousands of cheap. Well, them a try to get out the UTDs, hey. Me a talk to every nation who a play this student station. Another get the youths on the rise. So open up your eyes, hey. How are them a orchestrate? What them a orchestrate? Me want to know. What them a orchestrate? How are them a orchestrate? Somebody tell me what them a orchestrate. Me want to know, hey, hey. What them a orchestrate? Well then, them think we gone but we still there. When we are blaze at a fire, yes we not retire. When we are beat this mountain, I beat it higher. Cause every jump, every spear up, we keep them higher.
Hey, how are them a orchestrate? Them off you put you in a the darkest state. Finish up me brother down in a thoughtless hate. Watch you all of them a move like some heartless bait. Hey, baby got it them a talk less straight. When a poor people have the largest weight. That's why the youths them a pray out a lawless plate. And a pray out the yard with the shortest gate. Hey, as some me tell you say these are the time. Place ya we left you with a disease of the mind. As some me know say these are fi fine. We need fi find a system with the ease of design. Boom up behind the palm tree or recline. Me now want fi duck from a squeeze of the nine. Jaja watch over every move I design. Babylon now the college tree make it climb well.
Them think we gone but we still there. When we are blaze at a fire, yes we not retire. When we are beat this mountain, I beat it higher. Cause every jump, every snare up, we keep them higher.
Say what is mine, and what is yours, is yours. I hope. Say what is mine, and what is yours, is yours. I hope. Say what is mine, and what is yours, is yours. I hope.
I want to get man. Watch out. Them never want see we strive. So them set all bad road in our life. Oh yeah, them never want see we strive. So them set all bad roads in our life. Oh, but I know what's burning you. Bad mind I kill you. I know what's burning you. No love in your heart, no love in your soul too. Them never want see we strive. So them set all bad road in our life. Oh Jah, them never want see we strive. So them set all bad road in our life. We attack two heads of government, me tell no chief of staff. Look how much ghetto you dead in the ghetto what they daft. Suffering children on the street at night. Abuse them for their culture and their equal rights. Jah, see, I know what I want. Cause for the redemption they go chanting, you know. And in a Babylon no youth now go bow. Oh, but I know what's burning you. Bad mind I kill you. I know what's burning you. No love not in your heart, no love not in your soul true. Them never want see we strive. So them set all bad road in our life. Oh Jah, them never want see we strive. So them set all bad road in our life. But Emperor Selassie I guide and protect. No Babylon can bust Rasta bet. Cause in the Gideon, no for them going to sweat. Revolution just start to know no hear nothing yet. I'm a Gideon soldier come make we march. Light up it arch when the ketech on my back. The whole of King's House policeman them dead off. Go tell the Prime Minister at Jamaica house we want. Rolling with fire from we eyes. Now come here so under no false disguise. Revolution of the start because blood in our eye. We got the ghetto youth them and them only a pretend. Election a come them full of beer promising. But youth they are just to burn them skin. Them dwell down in a vanity, corruption and sin. And yam them bloody meat and don't want hear the king. But Jah see I know everything what I want. Oh, them never want see we strive. Oh, so them set all bad road.
Coming up from Zion. Was it bumpy? Sincerity. Like crazy glue. That's how I'm gonna stick with you. Oh babe, like crazy glue. That's how I'm gonna stick with you, baby. In time of doubt when I was down and out, and loneliness was my only friend. You came along and fulfilled my needs. You turned my sadness more into my songs like crazy glue. That's how I'm gonna stick with you, oh babe, like crazy glue. That's how I'm gonna stick with you, baby. You're the apple of my eye, pretty baby, that is why I gotta be with you. Your essence is so true, woman, I just can't deny my love for you even if I try. You're my reason for being alive, of that I won't lie. In time of doubt when I was running out, and loneliness was my only friend, you came along and fulfilled my
sadness into a song like crazy glue. That's how I'm gonna stick with you. Oh babe, like crazy glue. That's how I'm gonna stick with you. My baby turned my pain into diamond. Uh-oh, your personality is so divine. Your hospitality is oh so genuine. Uh-oh, reminds me of the flowers in my garden. Like crazy glue, that's how I'm gonna stick with you. Oh babe, like crazy glue, that's how I'm gonna stick with you. Like crazy glue, that's how I'm gonna stick with you. Oh babe, like crazy glue, that's how I'm gonna stick with you. Like crazy glue, whoa na 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 na. Like crazy glue, whoa na 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 na.
Cut it out, yeah, me bridging. Love it, yeah, me sister. No make them try you out because that time we good living. Cut it out, me bridging. Love it, yeah, me sister. No make them try you out because that time we good living. Say bad mind, wicked and oh yeah. No make them try you out, yeah, me sister. Keep your eyes up, your head over water. No bother make them hold you down. No make them stop because them too damn conniving. Through them see you head up, you start rising. They might try them baby best to those who want you down. But with your love, you paint the town. Cut it out, yeah, me bridging. Love it, yeah, me sister. No make them try you out because that time we good living. Cut it out, me bridging. Love it, yeah, me sister. No make them try you out because that time we good living. Me brother put on the gun and put on the knife. No bother with the war. No make the negative pull you down on the tar. Think positive, rise and live. My sister live up, live up, live up, live up. Not turn prostitute. Educate yourself and teach the youths them the truth. Put yourself first, no bother be substitute. Look how you nice, look how you cute. Cut it out, yeah, me bridging. Love it, yeah, me sister. No make them try you out because that time we good living. Cut it out, me bridging. Love it, yeah, me sister. No make them try you out because that time we good living. Think positive, rise and live. No matter throw away your stick before you cross your bridge. Yeah, yeah. Think positive, rise and live. No matter throw away your stick before you cross the bridge. With a clear thought, with a clean heart. Think positive, I say, while you make you try when you walk. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Cut it out, yeah, me bridging. Love it, yeah, me sister. No make them try you out because that time we good living. Cut it out, me bridging. Love it, yeah, me sister. No make them try you out because that time we good living. Say bad mind, wicked and oh yeah. No make them dry you out, yeah, me sister. Keep your eyes up, your head over water. No bother make them hold you down. No make them stop because them too damn conniving. Through them see you head up, you start rising. They might try them very best to those who want you down. But with your love, you paint the town. Cut it out, yeah, me bridging. Love it, yeah, me sister. No make them try you out because that time we good living. Cut it out, me bridging. Love it, yeah, me sister. No make them